Robert Downey, right? Oh my god, you're so handsome. What are you doing here?
I'm here because I heard about freelancer.com scavenger hunt contest. And I know you guys need money.
Oh, is that so? So you're lending us a buck?
Yes.
Oh my god, thank you very much. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Happy scavenging.
Thank you.